Okay, we have a 2007 Ford F150 4x4 with only about 145,000 miles, Carfax certified 2-owner Texas truck. As you can see, the truck has already been lifted. We have the beautiful aftermarket rims with it and the nice big knobby tires, which are like brand new. As I said, this is a 4x4 Texas-owned truck with only 2 owners. You already have the hitch and the ball on this. You also have the tonneau cover on top of here, and the bed liner, or the bed has already been lined. It is beautiful. Floor mats right there that are nice and clean. This truck is in fantastic shape. Paint is in excellent condition. Rims are in excellent condition. Tires are like brand new. You do have the full 4-door crew cab, and this is a Lariat, which means it is full leather interior inside. Let's go take a look at the inside. Okay. Leather is in fantastic condition. No rips, no tears, no signs of wear and tear. All the buttons, knobs, everything is there and in great working order. It is an automatic. You do have the climate control, radio, a CD player, and of course the 4-wheel drive knob right there. Everything on the steering wheel looks brand new. Let me close this door so I can show you the mileage. 147,048. Again, this car sounds and runs extremely well. You can tell it has been well taken care of. We do give the Carfax with each and every vehicle that you come and see as well. Passenger side is just as nice. Again, no rips, tears, or anything. No cracking in the dash. We do also have the sunroof here, and that works perfectly as well. And the back seat, again, looks like nobody has even sat back here. Let's take a closer look at it. Again, this truck is just immaculate. It does not need anything at all. Beautiful leather on the inside. Again, no rips or tears. Okay, so there you have it. Again, this is a 2007 F150 Lariat, full leather interior, Carfax certified, 147,000 miles, only 2 owners. You have the lift kit already done, the aftermarket beautiful rims that look like new, the tires that look like new, and you have the front Weston Boulevard as well. At this price, guys, this truck will not last long. It is 4-wheel drive and just immaculate. Schedule your test drive today and take it home with you.